Welcome, property viewers. We're going to be looking at a beautiful 2-bedroom corner unit at Kensington Gate. And let me tell you, this breeze has something. You don't need air conditioning like I did here. So wide open, 1,110 square feet, clean, crisp, open. Look at this. Your living room does not end, and this balcony is a whole room unto itself. This fifth-floor apartment gives you magnificent views. Look at the hills of the interior. Grab your coffee, or in the evening, grab a drink. Come on out to your balcony and enjoy some good times with friends. So this entire area serves as living and dining, and of course you have your kitchen here. Lots of shelves, lots of cupboard space. Right here, set aside for your fridge, and right here, which will have a bath, will be set aside for your stove. So the vacuum will be put in place and it will still fit perfectly. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. And right here is the secondary bedroom. Lots of windows, lots of light. Nice deep cupboard. Quite wide, quite accommodating. Lots of light coming in. And even from this secondary room, you have awesome views. You're looking out at St. Thomas from here, you're looking at the hills, you're looking at the sea. Over here is the laundry, and then the first of 2 bathrooms. So lovely. Well, let me just jump on in. Okay, remember I told you about the breeze? It is no joke. Wow. tables. And again, even from your bedroom, you have an extensive balcony, which allows you to see literally everything. So again, you have the views of the sea on that side, and if you look south, you again have the views of the sea. And then into the bathroom. And of course, the bedroom would not be complete without your closet. Let's not play hide and seek. This goes all the way back to be pocketed. So it really accommodates a lot more than a guy in the movie hole. And let's see if the breeze will let me get out of this bathroom, this bedroom. Unit number 40, and it's currently on the market for 38 million. Come on in, make your offers, come and have a view. Welcome, property viewers. Coming into this beautiful one-bedroom at Kensington Gate. So immediately on entering, you have your kitchen, and you see that lovely fixture, which allows you to do a little bit more than just work within the immediate confines of the sink. You can pull it out, spray, and clean up really easily. Cupboards are right below, and you have your uppers here as well. The right of the kitchen is the laundry area. Perfect for stackables, or if you would like to use your side-by-side, it works as well. And then you have the sink, which allows you to wash your rags, your towels, your rugs, and your mops. Moving on from the laundry area is the powder room for this unit. And then this south-facing apartment gives you magnificent views of the harbor. Back into the apartment, you'll notice there are areas which allow you a little bit of versatility. So for some, it may be a nice bookshelf, a study area, or you have those lovely pieces that you don't want anyone to touch. That's a perfect nook for them. They'll stay safe. In here you have a linen closet, or you can repurpose it as you see fit. And into this large, and I mean it's super large bedroom, lots of closet space, nice big open window. So you have your first closet here. For some of us, this may be for handbags and shoes. And then to the back, you have a walk-in closet. walk-in closet, there is yet another area where you can use for storage. And following all of that, you'll step into your bathroom. So this one-bedroom unit is all of 904 square feet. It's still on the market and it's going for $28 million. Now, in addition to this large space, you do have the rooftop deck. You have a swimming pool, lots of entertainment space for your friends, your family. And on site, should you require small items, there is an area for you to purchase them instead of having to leave the confines of your home. There is underground parking here, beautifully landscaped surroundings, and perfect security, 24 hours. Come on in, make your offers, come and have a view.